So I pulled the head off, and this is the gasket, and it looks pretty good, except for right there it blew out. But other than that, I cannot see anything really wrong with this gasket. I mean, it's got a lot of crud and needs scraped off and cleaned up and etc. But looking at the head, here, I got it off here. It's pretty heavy. This is the front of the engine. This is where the thermostat would go. See, it's looking good, looking good. And then bam, that one is wet, looking good, looking good, looking good. And that's probably why I was able to make it home. And I assume that it cracked in here somewhere. Just give me an opinion. Thanks. I mean, I got an extra head sitting in the garage.